here on today with the ZL1. We have one part we are installing today that really truly is one of the best DIY home garage type modifications you can make to your car with scientifically proven horsepower gains, fuel efficiency gains. We are back at it today with Cold Air Inductions. I'm so excited to break this thing into the Cold Air Inductions family with their top of the line Elite Series carbon intake system. Man, this is the coolest looking aftermarket thing I've ever put on anything. That is such a beautiful intake. That carbon fiber is so freaking cool, and it looks so good in that engine bay. Top of the line of the top of the line. This is not the last carbon fiber piece I'm gonna buy for this car. Oh, FYI.
Oh, okay.
If you guys want to check out Cold Air Inductions, I'll put their information below. You can check out the intake system for this car, for your trucks, whatever it might be. Again, given these Camaros have been out since 2016, and it sounds like GM's going to continue on over the next few years, this will be a good aftermarket part to go ahead and invest in.